My name is Patty, and this is my story with Galleri. I work for Seyfarth Shaw in the real estate finance group. The people here are genuine. Everybody pitches in, which is phenomenal.
We're self-insured. It's a big number on our expense statement. So we've been trying to find ways to invest in the long-term health of our personnel and provide resources to them to help them be healthier and hopefully have better health outcomes. Cancer in a number of years was our number one expense, and a single incidence of cancer can be $1 million cost to the firm. So that certainly got our attention, and we began seeking ways to deal with that. You know, are there ways to help people detect cancer earlier? We eventually came across Grail and the Galleri test, and it was just the kind of thing that we were hoping we'd find.
Even though I'm very proactive at getting the mammograms and the colonoscopies, the fact that this Galleri test could detect signals for less common cancers, ones that really don't have a screening, I thought, what the heck, I should give it a whirl. I had a phone call. She explained that there was a signal detected from the Galleri test and that it was a lymphoma lineage. First CT scan that I had detected the mass at a fairly small stage at about 3 centimeters, so was considered stage 1. I was diagnosed with a rare form of large B-cell non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. By the time I had the PET CT scan about a month later, it had grown in size and also showed that there were additional lymph nodes affected, so I was staged at 2A. The treatment plan for my type of lymphoma is 6 rounds of chemo. After the 3rd cycle, I had another PET scan done, and the mass was gone. It was already completely obliterated. The earlier anything can be detected, especially if you have no symptoms, the better the treatment options are.
We learned a colleague had caught a potentially very serious cancer early. It's wonderful to be reminded that if you do things for the right reasons and you do care about your colleagues and your teammates, then that can come back in unexpected ways.
I just feel blessed to be able to look forward to anything and just spending more time with my family. I have 3 daughters that I love immensely. I'm looking forward to being able to play tennis again. It could have been totally different.
Based on a clinical study of people ages 50 to 79, around 1% are expected to receive a cancer signal detected result, which includes predicted cancer signal origin. After diagnostic evaluation, around 62% of these people are expected to have a confirmed cancer diagnosis. The Galleri test is prescription only. The Galleri test is recommended for use in adults with an elevated risk for cancer, such as those age 50 or older. It is not recommended for individuals who are pregnant, 21 years or younger, or undergoing active cancer treatment. Galleri should be used in addition to routine cancer screening. Galleri does not detect a signal for all cancers. False positive and false negative results do occur.